This evening we're going to be preparing a quinoa salad with roasted sweet potatoes, spinach. We're going to put a dressing over that, and quinoa. I don't know how many people have ever made quinoa, but it is a very nutritious super grain. It is spelled Quinoa, and it is pronounced quinoa. It's a highly potent super grain noted for its crunchy texture and nutty flavor. It offers numerous health benefits, especially to those that are sensitive to gluten or wheat. So if you have a wheat problem, you're celiac, you probably have already been introduced to quinoa. So I'm going to give you some ideas about how good quinoa is for you. Here's the best health benefits of this superfood that you may not be aware of. Number one, there's protein in quinoa. Quinoa contains all the essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. So if you are a vegetarian, this is a great thing to add to your meals because it is a complete protein. There's about 4 grams of protein in a half a cup serving. Quinoa can control your blood sugar, so it's low in the glycemic index, which most grains aren't, which means you use less insulin to process it, and this makes eating quinoa much better for your metabolic profile. Quinoa can cause you to lose weight. It helps you to lose weight and build lean muscle since it is a complete protein, which involves a number of factors. For one, quinoa is high in fiber, which could help prevent you to overeat. Second, quinoa has been known to increase your metabolism, which could have a significant benefit on your weight loss journey when you eat it regularly. Consider having quinoa more often to aid with your weight loss. And you don't have to just have it like by itself. You can also include it. Now, a lot of people are doing like a quinoa bowl, or they are throwing a couple tablespoons in their salad when they eat. Okay, we're waiting for this to come to boil, and we're going to make some fresh quinoa for you this evening. I already made some already up to prepare our salad, so it's cold. Number 4, it is full of flavonoids. Quinoa is highly regarded as one of the best sources of certain flavonoids, including quercetin. Both of these flavonoids are important for your health, and they are reported to be anti-inflammatory and have anti-cancer, antiviral, and antidepressant properties. So you eat your quinoa and you will need to take your antidepressant. No, but foods are important to us. They can help our bodies, where medications aren't able to do that in certain situations. Okay, number 5, it's full of fiber. Quinoa is a superfood that contains ample amounts of fiber per serving, and if you're looking to meet your daily needs, a half cup serving of quinoa can provide 11 grams of fiber. So most of us as Americans don't eat enough fiber. You go to your doctor, most of them are going to tell you you don't have enough fiber in your diet. They're talking between 30 and 35 grams of fiber you should have a day. So that's a good healthy serving of fiber. It's a cholesterol-free food. Quinoa is a plant-based food that has no cholesterol, which means it's heart healthy. Consider having more quinoa to monitor your cholesterol levels to help keep your heart disease risk at bay. Number 7, gluten-free. This is why most people have been introduced to quinoa. Quinoa is a super grain that is considered to be gluten-free and safe for individuals who are sensitive to this protein. If you suffer from this condition, consider adding more quinoa to your diet to gain this particularly important health benefit. Number 8, this is a great one, especially for us ladies out there. It's a good source of iron. Quinoa is a good source of iron, offering trace amounts per serving. Consider adding more quinoa to your diet if you're in need of iron in your diet. This is one of the healthiest ways to get iron in your diet, so indulge in it. Number 9, it increases your mineral content. Minerals are essential to your daily functioning, and it is important to eat adequate amounts every day in order to stay healthy. Quinoa offers many valuable minerals that can maintain your health, including manganese, copper, phosphorus, and magnesium. Perhaps one of the most important minerals from this list includes magnesium, which is needed for proper conduction of your muscles. And a lot of people will come to me, our clients will say, I'm low in magnesium. So include this in your diet and it will help fill that need. And it may help prevent osteoporosis. Quinoa is known to help prevent some of the progression of osteoporosis, which is believed to be due to the amounts of magnesium per serving. Magnesium, one of the main minerals found in your bones, and while calcium is widely considered the mineral to consume more of, magnesium, is essential for the density of your bones. So consider having quinoa more often to help prevent osteoporosis throughout the week, to help decrease the breakdown of the bone that you have. So this is just some ideas that health benefits of quinoa to include in your diet.